Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that your Instagram verification code is not sending in your phone. So you have to fix that issue. Just simply you have to follow some steps to fix the issue. Just simply go back to your phone or your settings and just tap on settings and just make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, just connect with your mobile data. Make sure it's a strong network connection. Simply go back and just find your app of your Instagram. If you didn't find Instagram, just go to search bar. Just go to search bar and just simply search on Instagram, just like that. Instagram, this Instagram. Just tap on Instagram and just scroll down and just find permissions. Just tap on permissions and make sure that your permissions are allowed from here. And make sure that things, phone, nearby devices, microphone, file and media, contact, camera. Make sure all these allowed. So after that, just go back and just make sure that you also location. Make sure that ask every time. Maybe you are going to select allow only while using the app, so don't select don't allow. After that, just simply go back and scroll down and just find a storage. Just tap on a storage and just clear the cache from here. Also clear the data from here and again download again log in your account in your Instagram after clearing the data. So simply just log in your account and just type a verification code. After that, you're following on a fix. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.